Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use ZipBooks. It's a simple accounting software for small businesses and it helps track income, expenses, invoices, and financial reports efficiently. So make sure that your account is ready to access all of the features. So once you've logged into your account, you will basically just be redirected to the dashboard, and then of course you will navigate to your dashboard, and then you will check the overview. So you will see the balance, the invoices, the recent transactions, and all that stuffs. And if you want to create a customers, you can click customers. So it should be right here somewhere, but it really depends on the version or the layout that your website has. So anyway, once you see customers, you will just have to click add customers and fill in details and then click save. And if you would want to add an invoice, you can click invoices, and then you will create your new invoice and select customer and add items, description, and prices, and save and send. And if you want to track expenses, you can go to the expenses section, and then you will just have to click add expense, and then you will choose the category, the amount, the vendor, and then just click save. And then you will just have to generate the reports by clicking reports section. So it should be right here somewhere as well, and you will basically just have to select the report type, so which is either profit and loss, balance sheet, and then you will export it if needed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.